rest. Since breakfast I did not film because I was not feeling so well. I was feeling queasy, maybe from the oil in the banana bread or something. I'm still feeling queasy, to be honest. Right now I just want to take my clothes off, but I can't do that in public. And yeah, we're on our way to get my ring fixed, because if you follow me, well,
not sure if we'll get it.
Yeah, we're not sure if we'll be able to get it fixed, but we're heading to a jewelry repair store, so hopefully they can do something. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would have known that a stone, one of the tiny diamonds, fell out of my ring. I don't know when it fell out. The truth is I dropped my ring many times, so it might have been one of those times when I dropped it that it came out. But yeah, I've been rolling around with a stone missing from my ring, so we're going to try to get it fixed, because to be honest, the ring is very hard to look at, you guys, with a stone gone. I hope that the footage is not like shaky or anything, because I just realized that I left my tripod and everything. Say hi to the vlog, Adam.
Hi vlog!
Yes.
How's it going? No reply? Okay. No reply.
Guys, I think Adam is trying to turn into a Rastafarian. Like, why is his hair that much?
I'm already a Rastafarian.
You know? But yeah, guys. So we're just on our way to the station. I might as well show you in and around where we're walking. And the outfit of the day as well, because
OOTD.
yeah, OOTD kind of action. Alright, you guys, so how I find trains in Japan is really to put in Hyperdia in Google. It is something that you can use to like find train times and so on. So I'm at Kumagaya station right now, so you put in Kumagaya to, we're going to Fukaya station, and you basically put in the time and the date, and it really just tells you the different train times that you can catch. So the first one is at 1:58, which is like 10 minutes from now. It is 6-minute train ride. The fare is 240 yen, and we will be, oh god, we will be transferring trains. Holy shooby-dooby. We'll be transferring trains. So we're going to go to Kagohara station and then take another train for Fukaya, or we can simply take this one at 1:53, which is like in 4 minutes, and then it's a 19-minute train ride.
Let's hurry.
Alright, let's hurry, let's run. Guys, if you know nothing about me and Adam, just know that we're always running for the train.
Now let's get it still.
We're always so late, but we always catch it. Oh, that's the train. Come, let's go, let's go.
Just keep an eye here.
Can't jump, we can't reach.
First stop question, sir.
Shit. We always catch the train. Alright, you guys, I'm giving you like a little tour around this city. It's pretty nice, it's pretty decent, like I could live here. It's not city, but it's a nice little town.
Mini London aesthetic with brick.
Yeah. Yeah, London vibes. And there are like so many students. I'm seeing so many students, like they have like some tournament or something. Guys, the map said that it'll take us like 14 minutes walk to get to the ring repair shop. To be honest, you guys, this area right here is giving me a St. Anne's Bay vibe. Like, you know the cemetery turn off right in St. Anne's Bay there, so? Yeah, near Marcus Garvey High School, like right here. Oh, a train! A train was up, but right here, guys, is giving me the exact same cemetery crossing vibe. Right, Adam?
Keep your eyes peeled for near there, no car.
Oh, picture perfect opportunity down there. That's the Insta savvy picture place.
Right, get over back now.
Where does the map say we should go?
Straight. We go straight to the reach, basically. Every 3 minute walk, the map claims so we walk 1 minute.
Who is that Buddha-ish person? What does that sign say, Adam? Oh, some kind of a western mountain. Or maybe it's a shrine. I see a shrine entrance here, so. The entrance of a shrine, you guys.
Some kind of shrine,
or temple or whatever. Ginger.
some kind of thunder god thing.
You guys, I kid you not, this area is giving me pure Jamaica vibes. Even that the wall that you're seeing right over there, like St. Anne's Bay has a lot of them in and around the town. Like street sides like this, like the hilly type of thing. St. Anne's Bay has a lot of them. Legit Jamaican vibes I get in here. Country, real country. A random broken pipe sticking out. Definitely not Japan. Japan would have fixed it. Oh God. You guys, like this building says city on hill, and they could not be more right because it's literally hilly. Like we have been climbing a hill. You probably can hear it in my voice, like how out of breath I am. Yeah, it's definitely a city on a hill. My gums. That's Bay. Out and stunting. that is the place that we're going. They have a facial salon there and other things. I need to get the capture of the ring just in case they're going to take it.
ぐらい。
1個しかないんでよそでどっかで、もう何かと一緒にやらないとお金使うと、でもそれはうちの都合だから、もう2週間、まあ2週間、キュービックがあったうち、ダイヤならあるんだけどね。ちっちゃいからダイヤ入れてもいくらもかかんない、本物のダイヤ入れても同じぐらい入れちゃう、ちっちゃい、でもないよね、うちね。まあちょっとね、見てみないとね、お父さんにねガリガリ、こうやってるから、こうやって置いちゃうけど、どうだろうな、キュービック、キュービックでここにはこうダイヤどっちでもそんなにぐらいね、でもキュービックだったらキュービックの方がいいと思うよ、私は。キュービックだらキュービックの方がね、同じだったらね、キュービックだけど、そのぐらい。
キュービックグレードですか？
そんなに変わらない。こっちでも小さいとでも。
サイズ？小さい。
You can show her size,
同じぐらい。でもうちは。ありがとうございます。はい。
Yeah, beautiful.
全部お預かります。
さよなら。
ありがとうございます。
またね。
Alright, you guys, so we got through in the jeweler. As you guys would have seen in the clip while we were talking to them, they were basically just like assessing the ring to ensure that whatever diamond they're going to replace it with is the actual diamond that the ring is made of. Mark you, we're not celebrities, so we don't have real diamond kind of money, so obviously it's not real diamond, it's like a stimulated or diamond simulant or something like that. So they were just assessing the type of diamond to put in, and all of that. They also was telling us that they can like clean the ring because the ring really needs some tender loving and care. I know that I clean my ring, but of course getting it cleaned by an actual jeweler is ideal, and I've had the ring for 2 years, so of course it is worn and torn. I was also trying to ask them if this one needed cleaning too, and they said no, that the band is fine, it's just the top one. And Adam and I were saying, like, if we were in Jamaica, even though this one did not want to be cleaned, like in Jamaica, the person would say, yes man, come, it needs to be cleaned, just because, you know, money talk and everything else walk. But they were so kind, they were kind enough to say that this one does not need the extensive cleaning that the other one needed, so we did not need to pay extra to clean it. So to replace the to replace the diamond and to get the ring cleaned and looking pretty, it cost us 6,500 yen, which is, guys, that is really like cheap. We did not expect to be paying like that small amount of money to replace, to fix the ring at all. We were expecting like some money that we wouldn't be able to afford today, but we just wanted to assess it to see how much money we would need to save. So this was a successful run, wouldn't you think? Yeah. Lady problems with all these rings and things. Adam does not have to worry about his ring at all. It needs cleaning though, it looks dull. Yeah, guys, like, I don't think Adam took his ring off his finger.
So it's not some Red Bull.
Within like maybe he's taking it off like maybe once or twice for me to clean it, because I'm particular like that. I like to get the rings clean and looking shiny. But Adam ring does not come off his finger, you guys.
Cannot come off my finger.
Yeah, like, so for two reasons. One, he's not particular like that, and two, the ring is really stuck on his fingers. The ring is really stuck. Yeah, so luckily we got that sorted out. I am happy. It is going to take 2 weeks. Oh, the lighting is horrible. Should we just cross?
Yes, we should.
They say it's gonna take 2 weeks for us to get it back because unfortunately they'll have to send it to another store to get it fixed. But as long as it's getting fixed, guys, that's all that matters. As long as I don't have to look down on a ring with a stone missing. So now it is Sunday, of course, you guys know that. For dinner we are going to be doing some fast food. Don't know if we'll choose KFC or McDonald's or pizza, to be honest. Here? Not sure if there's a KFC here, but we're not eating here. Oh. We're going back home. Oh, yes, I don't know if we're going to choose KFC or McDonald's or pizza. I don't know. Those are like the 3 fast food that you can find us eating at any time. So yeah, guys, we're on our way back home. I'll catch you guys when we're back inside of the house, guys. And while we try to get back home, do enjoy this week's NATZNIFICENT fam shout out, which we'll get to right now. Biggest congratulations to the NATZNIFICENT fam commenter of the week. As usual, thanks for watching and commenting. Now guys, if you're wondering just how you can get a shout out, all you have to do is watch and leave a comment on this week's video. Also, for extra entries, all you have to do is share a screenshot of this week's video to your IG stories. Remember to tag me, and that is it. Now guys, back to the video. You can never be thirsty while you're on the road in Japan because the vending machine is like at every square inch of the roadside and train stations. Guys, we just got back home and like hunger is killing us, so we're just here eating. We got McDonald's for dinner today. Spicy chicken sandwich. Love spicy stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna finish up this food. You guys, we have finished the eating and now we're heading to the grocery store. The lighting is awful, I know. Heading to the grocery store to pick up a few things because it's Sunday and we have no food. So let's go! Or in Japanese, they'll say, Ikimashou!
Oh, I knew you would call back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive, so we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me. Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're
Feel bad.
I might want to change it.
You gotta buy shit online.
I'll come like it at that side.
No one no feel bad. This feels soft. But it was so small here. Go this. Nobody there. You guys, you come to Japan, this is what the female sanitary napkin area would look like. So these are like the only types of tampons that they have. And this is the price. And then as I was showing you in one of my other vlogs, these are all sanitary napkins. They come in different numbers for different sizes and so on. You can also find stationery in the supermarket size. Lots of stationery. But I would suggest buying your stationery in the dollar stores because they tend to be overpriced in here. Like this for 195 yen plus tax. This would be $100 in the dollar store. So buy your stationery in dollar store. I'm still searching for shoes.
just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me right. Love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me.
You guys, you would not believe if I told you that it has been hours since we last spoke. since we got home from the grocery store, we were like so tired and wanted to get things done that I didn't even do a grocery haul or anything. We just put up the food and cleaned up the kitchen, like wash up the dishes, and then we did a little bit of work. So I created thumbnails and all that stuff, and then we just basically watched Blacklist for the rest of the night. It is now 12:35 a.m. so it's bedtime. Tomorrow is work as usual. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. If you did enjoy, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Until next time, bye guys.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.